Namaste everyone. I am Ankita Sindhi. Today I am going to present on temple architecture and engineering in Karnataka. This topic highlights how ancient temples were not only places of worship but also masterpieces of engineering and design. In Karnataka, temple architecture developed under powerful dynasties like Chalukya dynasty, Hoysala Empire, and Vijayanagara Empire. Each dynasty contributed unique styles. The most important style is the Vesara style, which is the combination of Dravidian style from South India and the Nagara style from North India. This fusion resulted in temples that are both structurally strong and artistically beautiful. Every temple follows a systematic layout. First, the Garbhagriha is the inner sanctum where the deity is placed. It is usually small and dark to create a spiritual focus. Next, the Mandapa is a hall supported by pillars used for gatherings and rituals. Above the sanctum is the Shikara or Vimana, which symbolizes the connection between earth and heaven. Finally, the Jagati is the raised platform that provides strength, protection, and space for circumambulation. Overall, the structure represents a journey from the outer world to inner peace. Karnataka temples demonstrate advanced engineering techniques. They are built on strong stone foundations using the Jagati. Soapstones was commonly used because it is soft when carved but becomes hard over time and increasing durability. Another key feature is interlocking the stone technique, where the stones are joined without cement. This method improves earthquake resistance, durability, and allows temples to last for hundreds of years. The design of these temples is both mathematical and artistic. Many temples follow a star shaped or stellate layout, which helps in better load distribution and provides more surface for carvings. Symmetry and geometry are maintained in all directions, showing precise calculations. Zigzag walls increase structural strength and enhance visual beauty. One of the most impressive features is the pillars. These are lathe turned pillars, which means they are so perfectly shaped that they look machine made. They are smooth, polished, and highly symmetrical. Pillars serve two purposes. They support the weight of the structure and also act as decorative elements. The temple walls are covered with detailed carvings. These include gods, goddesses, animals like elephants and lions, and stories from epics such as Ramayana and Mahabharata. These sculptures are not just decorative, they also play an engineering role by strengthening the outer walls and helping distribute weight. This shows the integration of art and engineering. So now let us understand about the architecture of Chennakeshava temple. The Chennakeshava temple, built in 12th century during the Hoysala period, is one of the finest examples of Hoysala architecture and is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. One of the most striking features of this temple is its star-shaped platform, known as Jagati, which not only provides structural strength but also allows devotees to perform circumambulation around the temple. The temple is renowned for its extremely detailed carvings. If we observe closely, we can see horizontal friezes showing elephants, horses, lions, and scenes from epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana, arranged in systematic pattern. Another important feature is the lathe turned pillars inside the mandapa. These pillars are so smooth and symmetrical that they appear machine made, showing the advanced level of craftsmanship at that time. The use of soapstone played a major role here. Since it is soft during carving and hardens over time, it allowed artisans to create highly intricate and precise designs. Overall, this temple is not just a place of worship but also a masterpiece of engineering and artistic excellence. The architecture of Hoysaleshwara Temple. The Hoysaleshwara temple, located in Halebeedu, is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is another magnificent example of Hoysala architecture. This temple is unique because it is twin temple, also known as Dvikuta structure, with two sanctums placed side by side, each containing a Shivalinga. One of its most remarkable features is the extensive sculptural work. The outer walls are completely covered with thousands of carvings depicting gods, goddesses, animals, and dancers, and scenes from Indian epics. The temple is built on a star shaped plan which enhances both its strength and visual complexity. From an engineering perspective, the temple was constructed using interlocking stone techniques without the use of the cement. Each stone was precisely cut and fitted, ensuring long term durability and stability. Additionally, large Nandi statues are placed facing the sanctums carved from single stones, showcasing both artistic skill and structural precision. Even though the template is centuries old, it still stands strong, reflecting the advanced engineering knowledge of that period. The architecture of Keshava Temple. The Keshava Temple, built in 13th century, is one of the best preserved Hoysala temples and is dedicated to Lord Keshava, a form of Vishnu. The temple is designed as Trikuta structure, meaning it has three sanctums, each with its own tower arranged symmetrically around the central hall. One of the key highlights of this temple is its perfect symmetry and geometrical precision. Every part of the temple is carefully planned, showing advanced knowledge of mathematics and design. The temple stands on a raised platform, and its star shaped layout enhances both stability and aesthetic appeal. The walls are richly decorated with detailed carvings of deities, flora patterns, and scenes from mythology, all arranged in a balanced and organized manner. Inside the pillars, they are finely polished and evenly spaced, supporting the structure while maintaining visual harmony. Overall, the Keshava temple represents the peak of Hoysala architectural perfection, combining symmetry, engineering, and artistic beauty. In conclusion, Karnataka temples are a perfect blend of art and engineering. They show advanced knowledge of geometry, materials, and structural design. Even after hundreds of years, these temples stand strong, proving the excellence of an ancient engineering and craftsmanship. Thank you.